So we can use the wire to tie the top and the end first. Here, this one, tight it. It's tight here. And cut. And we are tied it here. Okay. I received my large box today. How exciting. I love everything. Thank you. Thank you so much, Chase. Hi, Elegant. Hello, Southern Crabber. Happy to see you. Happy to see you, everyone. Yoni and Ann Wilson, Shanna Blue. Happy to see you, Mary Lucia, Tanya V. Okay, so here, how can I get a balance, please? Okay, Anna need a balance total. Okay, thank you. 就可以了。So, and then I'm going to tie the other side. Yeah, you use the piece of the wire to tie it again. Here, this one is like this way. Then we are tied it tight here. Here. Okay. Cut. So I'm used the wire tied this side, both the two side here, and then let's go into try, or maybe use the wire 0.6. Yeah, we just test to use 0.6. Let's try the different way to make. Here. Okay, then we do it at the middle. Here, do it at the middle. Okay, then let's see. I'm put it at the middle to wrap on the earring. Here, it's tight. Here, it's tight. Here， 尽量不要用红笔写，这样子不太好。Okay, here, dear Ann 不是 Ann Wilson， 是安娜，是安娜。Okay, 是安娜。Here. Okay. I take mine too. Okay. 那你把它用黑笔改成用黑笔，然后Ann Wilson 他也要，那就他也要一起吧。Okay, I wait for a moment. I show you. So here we're going to see to fold it like this. Fold it here. And here we are go through from the bottom. Then we go up from the top. So Let's go to the top, dear. Go to the top. And this one, now it's when I opposite it, it's come to the bottom. Then it's just always keep to pull it on the top. Yeah, then this will go the bottom. Okay, so it's like cover it at the middle. It's like this way here. Can I get a total? Okay, Coffee Land need a total also. Here, this one. And this way here. Here. This way. And go up. Here I use 2 pieces of the wire. At the beginning, we can try the less wire, but after you can make it better, we try 3 wire together. It will be nice. The wire I use is the 18 gauge and 22 gauge. Yes, 1 millimeter on the base and 0.6 for the rubber wire. And here the beginning tight the wire not move. I'm use the 0.4. Here. This way. Here. This way. Here. And you see, go up here. Hi, OC Linda. Happy to see you. Thank you, Lisa. Then again, so pull it. It's folded like this. Okay, here. This way. Here. Here. And so Loisrin, you got the way that's how to do it. Thank you, Mama. Thank you for your like. So it's tight. Just position to let it not be moved. Yes, if put the beads, it will be look very cool. We can try it next. We can put the beads on here or put the beads on the middle wire here. This way. Then we're going to wrapper. Okay, when we know here can be wrapper by the wire, maybe we don't need the wrapper here. We don't need this wrapper. We just wrap it by the wire 0.6. It's no problem. Here. Yes, it's like a sword. Okay. Then we are tight. And the end we can use the piece of the wire, the plier to make a loop. The loop purpose is not to make it be loose. So here's the way. And this one, this end we can cut here. Tight. cut. So it can be for a earring. It's going to be a big earring, hoop earring. Okay, so it's come a hoop earring finish like this. Next, we try the same way, but we can use the we can rub the beads on. So rub the beads, we will rub it with some distance, and so that the piece can be go